Okay, Monday, June 29th. Had some technical difficulties again today. This was a pretty brutal break-even trade. I tried to close it in profit and it didn't let me, and then it ran pretty much right back to my BE, and yeah, that was that. So basically what happened was we're going sideways here. A lot of accumulation through London, through pre-market, and then we get a market open. There's like no 15-minute, there's no gaps like anywhere. We're not delivering out of like anything. Literally just like the worst sideways action I've ever seen. But there was this little 15-minute gap that had been tapped into once or twice. And we went down and anyways, we came down, swept this London low that was inside this 15-minute gap. So now we have like a pretty decent little stop that's kind of protected because it did get an SMT off ES. ES did fail to sweep the London low. Did not quite get there on market open. But yeah, we cleared out all these little lows here, and then we're delivering out of the 15-minute gap. And so, but then we came up, and this is when I was like, hesitated a little bit, because there wasn't really an entry anywhere here. Like maybe, I don't even know if there was a 30-second in there, but yeah, we basically need to get through all that. And once we did get through all that, like it's like a 200-point stop or something. So I wasn't interested in that. But we came up, and then we just barely cleared this high. We have also, yeah, what was this? Asia. We have Asia high. This is important for later. Very important for later. We got the Asia high there. But these pre-market highs all got swept. They got stacked up highs pre-market. And we just barely cleared those out. But we left the Asia high. Left the Asia high. So I go, okay, interesting. Now we have like even more liquidity resting. So then we come back down, kind of fill this gap. I just want to check the 5 minutes, see if it said anything. Yeah, okay, so we inverse this 5 minute to the upside. So we're looking bullish. We are looking bullish. I'm going, okay, I'm interested. We come back, get a little retrace. We don't need to sweep down again because we've already mitigated that. We did get an SMT off that. We are looking bullish. And then we get a 1 minute IFVG on this little leg up for a continuation. And yeah, so I took that. I said, that's good enough for me. I'll take a stab at this. I had like a 68-point stop or something. I just had my stop like somewhere there. And then we come up, we sweep Asia, we sweep Asia high. And I go, nice, that's beauty. I go, we love to see it. And then I think I was targeting, anyways, we did clear the Asia high. And then there was these other two highs resting up here that I was hoping we would take out. And then we have this like daily fair value gap, this daily bearish fair value gap that I would have definitely cut the trade if it went all the way up there or whatever. But yeah, we cleared the Asia high, and then I was sitting there and I was like, you know what? I might just cut this. Like F it. Like that's like a 1-to-1. Like I'll just like be happy with that. And then I go to close it like somewhere up here, where I would have gotten my 1-to-1, and yeah, did not let me do it. And I basically, it was just stupid. It was just so stupid. I started freaking the fuck out, and yeah, it came down, and then on this candle, it just came and like wicked me out, and I closed it. I don't even know how I was able to do this, but I closed it literally. It would have been like on the bottom tick there. I closed it for like 10 points of profit or something. It was. And then it went, obviously it went straight back up and then ranged for like another like 5 minutes. But you would have definitely gotten broken even on that candle there, because I did go break even once we cleared the Asia high. Yeah, I moved to break even. But yeah, I would have gotten like 50 points or something. That's when I tried to close it, when I looked back on the replay, and ended up with 10 points. Very unfortunate day, extremely unfortunate day. It would have been a really nice cut. And yeah, just got absolutely chopped. So sucks to suck, and we'll try again tomorrow.